Investing is often treated like an intelligence test, but markets don't reward brilliance. They reward behavior. And the strategy that quietly wins is simple enough to be overlooked. Financial markets move constantly. Prices fluctuate. Headlines change by the hour. This creates pressure to stay involved, to react, to adjust. Over time, that pressure becomes costly. Because investing isn't a test of responsiveness, it's a test of endurance. Once you accept that short-term movements are largely unpredictable, your role shifts. You stop trying to anticipate outcomes and focus on building a position that can survive uncertainty. This approach rests on three ideas: regularity, time, and restraint. First, regularity. Capital is committed on a fixed schedule. No matter what mood you're in, no matter what the headlines say. Some periods feel uncomfortable, others feel obvious. Over time, those moments blend together. High prices and low prices stop feeling dramatic. They become part of the process. This removes a hidden burden, the need to decide. Many abandon this approach early because it feels unsophisticated. But markets don't reward sophistication. They reward systems that can be followed consistently. Second, time. Compounding works slowly at first, so slowly that it barely feels like progress. This is where frustration enters. Returns don't arrive in a straight line, they cluster later. Those who remain invested long enough benefit from that asymmetry. Time does the heavy lifting, quietly. The challenge is psychological. Waiting feels unproductive, but in investing, waiting is often the work. Third, restraint. Intervention feels responsible, checking portfolios, making adjustments, responding to new information. Yet most information is already reflected in prices. Frequent changes rarely improve outcomes. They usually add friction. The strongest portfolios tend to share a common trait. They are left alone. Restraint is not neglect. It is trust in the structure you've chosen. This strategy doesn't generate excitement. It doesn't offer moments of triumph. What it offers is durability. It allows progress without constant attention, growth without constant decision-making. The strategy that wins doesn't look impressive. It asks for discipline and patience. It survives boredom, uncertainty, the urge to interfere. While others react, it stays still. And over time, that quiet consistency does the work most people never let finish.